there world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. Today we are looking at this Rough Rider, the Stockman, the Flowers. Okay, but we're not going to look at it here. We're going to Grootvlei. Okay, we're going to Grootvlei. Here we have a roadblock. And here we are.
Dit is nie weekly nie.
Oor ons selle, waar goed se reg, vir die tzatziki en of in die langs bly.
Kom asseblief, kind, tree aan 6 uur die oggend. Dit is wel ek graffies is besig.
This is a well-used Pinel. Number 7, I think. Yes. Okay, I'm sitting here next to the old braai area, and today I want to show you this thing. Rough Rider Flowers. Always high quality, handmade pocket knives, and this is a lovely knife. Okay, so now I showed you the Flowers one previously. I got mine from Pickled Steel. And we have this beautiful little Stockman. Let me see if I can focus here. We have the acrylic with the flowers at the back, big R, brass, nickel brass bolsters, beautiful brass liners, slight gapping. Let me just open it. I can't do this one-handed. Okay, and it's a beautiful little Stockman. We have our spay blade, sheep's foot, and a nice thin clip blade. We do have the big R that side, the back-to-back R's over there. Lovely, lovely little knife. How can I show you this? Can you see it? Not really. But anyway, beautiful. The Rough Rider Flower series. And I love this little Stockman. Wonderful little knife.